unicorns? Elyse here, and it is the most extra time of the year. Yes, my loves, festival season is upon us. You want a rainbow strobed highlighter? Yep. Colorful eyes? Yes. Holographic lips? Uh-huh. Glue some stars on your face? That's a yes for me. If you've always been a unicorn at heart, then you are going to love our Life's a Festival collection. We've even infused it with rose quartz for some added love energy. Let's get started. I've already applied shadow insurance, so now I'm gonna go in and warm the crease with Desert Vibes. Sweep young and free under Desert Vibes, focusing on the inner and outer corner. Cut the crease with concealer to intensify the color. Set the concealer with Sunset Dream. Then press Beam In into the middle to give a spotlight effect. Smoke the outside corner of the eye with Fun to See and define the lower lash line. Blend Dusk Till Dawn and Unicorn Tears together and smudge into the center lower lash line. Finish off the eyes with 3 coats of Better Than Sex Waterproof, because we need to be prepared for anything, people. Now I'm going to apply Unicorn Tears Mystical Bronzer in a butterfly motion. There's a unicorn in here. Ah! The colors in this bronzer give you the warmth of sunlight and the coolness of moonlight. I like to use Young and Free as a blush. Swirl Rainbow Strobe Highlighter and apply to your cheekbones with your fingers. Now I'm going to create a rainbow effect on my temples by lining up the colors in the highlighter with the colors on the rainbow brush. Sweep back and forth to intensify the effect. I've always said that my spirit animal is a mermaid riding side saddle on a unicorn, so this is visually working for me. Now I'm going to apply Fairy Tears Transforming Lip Topper. I'm setting this look with our Festival Refreshing Spray so that this look will last through bumping into strangers and beach balls hitting me on the head. Let's add some star decals to finish this look. It would be so easy to just keep gluing these all over my face, but I think 2 will do. Listen up, unicorns. We hope you dream big, chase rainbows, and fall in love at a festival. Wear it rainbow and own your pretty.